Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an unboxing video of our brand new taillights for the 93 to 2002 Trans Ams. So previously we were 3D printing the housings and then spray painting with like a mirror chrome silver metallic the inside of the housings to get the reflection. It's very freaking slow. Took us about 48 hours of straight printing to get like 2 pairs. So now in the United States, we cast our own housings. So no longer 3D printed. These are actually fiberglass reinforced plastic. Slightly thicker than OEM, so they're a little stronger. You'll feel it in your hands. It's not that much heavier, but it's much sturdier. This is just showing off the chrome plating. We had the entire housing chrome plated because we're testing letting the LT1 reflector come through and have a little chrome shining as well. But you can see the big difference. We're talking OEM quality now. These are made to fit our lenses. I'll show you that here. I think I grabbed some lenses that we had laying there. Hit the camera. So it's made for our lenses. That's a clear lens, doesn't tell you too much. There we go. Looks like that. You have a perfectly clear reverse circle now so that you don't have to diffuse that. Before we had to kind of mask what was going on in here with the 3D printing, but as you can see, nothing we have to work around anymore. So yeah, these will fit our lenses. I just grabbed some lenses that we had laying out here. Let's see what else we have. Another red bird. This one's cool. We got a wing design. And then none of these lenses are diffused yet, so it wouldn't be completely chrome right here. It'd be a little diffused. That's it. That's the main update. We had gotten word that our 3D printer was no longer going to be doing 3D printing in November, December. And so we decided, instead of continuing to 3D print, which we already knew there was a lot of problems with, just as far as time frames go, we just invested in molded new houses. So no more dealing with anything. It's been a 6-year journey, starting with just lenses to convert your housings and everything in between. But now you're gonna get a part that's black up here. It's just gonna be chromed on the inside. We use a water chroming technique, so it's chrome plated. It will not blacken the way that the OEM did, because that technique's a very old technique that just blackens over time. These won't. These will stay nice and shiny and pretty for the life of your car. So we're proud to offer them. We have things in stock now, tons of lenses, and we have our first shipment of housings coming in 2 weeks. And then after that, because we're actually molding them, should never be out of stock. And that's it. Thanks guys for watching the channel. You might want to go back and watch some other taillight videos to understand what a long process this was. But I'm super proud, man. Look, you've even got metal inserts in here. I mean, like, there's nothing to complain about. Like, no one's making taillights for you guys, and we had to climb the freaking ladder from the bottom. But we got to the point where we're making you guys just as good as any manufacturer would. Full housings. We have our thermoform lenses with any design you want. They're easily serviceable this way. You can change the design easy this way. They're gonna last the life of the car this way. No more blackening in here. No more silver spray paint, because that's all we could do. Like, we shot for the best, and we're finally able to give you guys the best. We got some old orders that have been hanging around forever. They probably think we forgot about them. We didn't. Just wanted these in my hands to show you first. We're filling those guys, and we're filling any current orders, and anybody else that wants them, come and get them. We're honoring the old price for right now. They are more expensive to make for sure than 3D printing in Canada. Molding in the States is not that cheap, but we're not having too much luck overseas with tariffs right now anyway, so we might as well go ahead and keep it in the States. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to me ramble. Sorry for the outside shop scenery. I just wanted to get some daylight so you guys can really see these reflections. Let's put another one up here one more time. Boom. Making it look like a nice little ruby. Oh yeah, that's pretty. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I'll have a assembled set coming soon. Again, this is what they sent us for approval. We approved them, so I'll have a bunch of production pieces in my hand next time you see me. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe, and that's it.